Trading Twins here, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate through your iqoptions platform. Now, in our previous video, you learned how to set up your iqoptions account. So over here, you can see my demo account. We taught you how to do that all in the video before, so I'll leave a link for that in the description box below. So you're wondering how I got all these pairs up here. Well, I clicked this plus button and I chose the pair that I wanted to use. See? I can always search up a pair if I don't see it listed and click it. Okay, so we're trading binary. So when you click on the plus button, you will see options over here. Click binary and move on. Now, you're probably wondering why the numbers are changing as I move my cursor. Well, this is because these are different market prices. So let's just say you want to wait for the market to reach at this point for you to enter into a trade. You click the bell and you can always move on to another pair, look at that pair, and you'll be notified whenever the market reaches that point. You can always delete an alert by clicking this X. Now, binary is trading time. So I'm gonna show you how to find your time. This first one here is 1 minute. Don't look at this side. This is the time of day. So on this side, you'll be looking at. Up here is 1 minute, down here is 5 minutes. Over here, we'll go 6 minutes to 2 hours. We usually trade from 1 to 5 minutes, but it's based on your preference. You choose the time. Over here is your investment amount. So you can invest how much you want to in this column. And as you saw, as I changed the number from $1 to $1,000, this number over here changed. But what is this number? This percentage is your return on investment. When you place a trade and it goes in your favor, you will be getting your $1,000 plus 82% of $1,000. So 82% of $1,000 is $820. So you'll be getting your $1,000 plus $820. This percentage changes depending on the pair that you are looking at and the time of day. See, as I move on to USD JPY, it changes to 78%, and Euro USD 79%, GBP USD 80%. So it all depends on which pair you are trading and the time in which you are trading. Higher and lower. What does that mean? So you would learn buy and sell. That's when you're expecting the market to go higher and lower, respectively. You buy when you're expecting the market to go up, and you sell when you're expecting the market to go down. So this green button is buy, and this red button is sell. On this side, this is your total portfolio. You go here when you have active or pending trades open, but I don't have any open, so it's blank. Over here is your trading history. Over here, you can join some chats and supports from all these different people who are also using iqoptions. See, as they're communicating right now, as you can see, it's changing right here. The leaderboard. And news. As you see over here, 2 minutes, that's how long it takes for your candle to form. Now, as I change it to 10 seconds, you could see that the candles are forming faster. That's because it takes 10, well now 5, that I changed it to 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds for these candles to form. These are your graphical tools in which you use to do your analysis. These are your indicators, which you also use to do your analysis. And let's just say you have a group of preferred indicators. You can add that into a template and name it whatever you want. Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel.